Welcome to Stevie's Kitchen. Tonight, I'm gonna show you something for those perfect fall nights when it's nice and cold out. I'm making turkey and dumplings, and the other benefit of this is something that you can do whenever you have leftovers from Thanksgiving. Tune in, you don't wanna miss this. So first off, we're gonna get started with this dumpling dough. I got 2 cups of all-purpose flour. Now I'm gonna get it here. I'm gonna get 4 teaspoons of baking powder. Oops, I'm swinging these around. Then we need 1 teaspoon of salt. Just gonna get a light mix on this so we can get all this stuff incorporated before we add our wet ingredients. So now we're gonna add in 2 tablespoons of butter and 1 cup of milk. So now we just wanna get all this mixed up. And then once it gets mixed up, we're just gonna let it sit for a few minutes, and then we'll start working with this later when it comes to getting our turkey and dumplings together. Now we're gonna get started on these wet liquids. I got half an onion and 4 cloves of garlic that I've chopped up already. Gonna get a nice little saute on these for about 2 minutes. And then I have 4 carrots that I've chopped up and I have 4 carrots that I chopped up and 6 stalks of celery right here. And now we're gonna put these in. We're gonna let these go for about 5 minutes. So now that these veggies have been cooking, I got a 1/4 cup of flour I'm just gonna add in here. Just gonna make sure this coats all of our veggies. By putting this flour in here when we add in our turkey stock, it's gonna thicken it up, and that's where you kind of get that heartiness of this turkey and dumplings. Because of this flour right here, but you wanna let this flour cook down a little bit. You don't want it to be just straight flour in there, and you'll taste that. So it's just gonna be another like 2 minutes, just to kind of cook some of that bite off of it. And then I got 4 cups of turkey stock that I made, and I got half a cup of milk with a 1/4 cup of heavy cream. And we're gonna pour all this in here and let this simmer for a little bit, and then we'll be good to go soon. Now we cook down this flour. Let's get our turkey stock. Pour that in. Get our milk and cream mixture. And then also I got 1 potato that I've chopped up. We're gonna drop that in now. We're just gonna let all this kind of simmer together for a few minutes to cook those potatoes. Then we'll be back. So as everything's still going in the pot, I'm about to bring it to a simmer, but first we're gonna get back to our dumpling dough. I got a 3-ounce cookie scoop, and we're just gonna go through here, kind of scoop this out, drop them straight in. We've had these dumplings in here simmering for about 10 minutes now. So now we're gonna just add the rest of these ingredients, put the lid on for another 5, and then this turkey and dumpling be ready to go. So I have a cup of peas that I'm putting in. Got a 1/2 cup of corn. Then I got 2 cups of the shredded turkey. And I actually made a smoked turkey this year for Thanksgiving. Half white, half dark. Gonna throw this all in the pot. Slowly kind of stir it in. Just to finish this off, do a little bit more fresh cracked black pepper. Just 2 more pinches of salt. Again, you can always add salt later, but still need a little bit for flavoring. Put the lid on this for another 5 minutes, and then you're good to go. It's actually a cooler night here in Houston, so this turkey and dumplings is perfect for a night like this. Let's go here and do this taste test for you. Make sure I get a little bit of everything. Get all the colors. Yeah, it's hot. Tastes like a warm hug. It's perfect on a night like this. That dumpling's nice and soft and fluffy. That smoked turkey adds some good flavor to it. Still got a little texture on the carrots. It's perfect bowl food for a night like this.